So hi guys, this is the beta demo for Resistance TD created by Jasper Pillejera, Gavin Sanchez, and Jolene Valenzuela. So here, I'm gonna first clear the data for Resistance TD because the intro video for the game will only activate when you're a first-time player or first-time user of the app using shared preferences. So here we're gonna build the app. So here is the intro video and the story for Resistance TD. So you are the white blood cells of Patrick's Althea, and you represent the resistance against the bacteria that's going into his body. This is because of the fall that will happen here, spoilers, and that since it was based on a true story, we really tried our best with how to represent the bacteria and the resistance inside his body. So the fall really looks bad, but right now he's okay. And that is the background of Resistance TD. So here is the first screen that you'll see. It contains the logo and the game type that you want to go into. As of now, we're gonna focus on single player, so there's no multiplayer first. So here, we click on single player and then a loading screen appears. And here is the main game screen. So there is an invisible line here and represents the bloodstream of Trix. So these green blobs or green rectangles and squares represent bacteria that's trying to go into his system, which is represented by the lower portion of the phone. So the function created to make these bacteria is called spawn bacterium, and what it does is it adds bacterium objects to a list in the game board, and using the game board's draw mechanics, it draws the bacteria object. So these are your main enemies for the game, and then if enough bacteria, since bacteria have damage, enter into his bloodstream, Trix's health will go down, and once it reaches 0, it's game over. So basically this game never ends, and it's a patagalan game. So how will you fight these bacteria? So these yellow squares represent slots where you can put white blood cell towers. So as you can see, I clicked on or tapped on 2 squares and they turned into white blood cell units. Okay, so white blood cell units are created using spawn tower, which convert these slots into white blood cell units using currency called cells, which you get from killing enough bacteria, which we haven't really created yet for the app. So the white blood cells blast bacteria with beams as they are towers, and then they try to kill the bacteria before entering into his system. So once enough bacteria go into his system, the game ends, the game screen ends, and then it shows how many waves of bacteria the player survived and how many seconds he or she survived. And basically it's an infinite game where you try to beat your previous high score over and over again. So that was Resistance TD. Thank you.